Now we have a Hill cipher. So Hill cipher. Now we are coming to a little bit advanced cipher over there, just to have a taste of the different ciphers we have. So Hill cipher, who developed it? It was a mathematician, Lester Hill, in 1929. Even like we were not born that time. He invented this time, and he gave the formula over there. So formula is very easy. They use matrices for it. So they say that the ciphertext can be like this one. See, say the ciphertext is k multiplied by p. So in the Caesar cipher, it was p plus k. Okay, that was addition over there. But he say no, let's go for the multiplication. So it was the first time when the Hill cipher they go for the multiplication over there, right? So it was like more interesting over there, and it takes the mode 26. Why mode 26? Any idea about it? Why the mode 26?
Because it's the multiplier.
No, it's a letter, because we have alphabets from A to Z. A to Z is how much? 26. Right? Yeah, because of that one. Okay, so if you reach to the Z, so you will go back to the first one. Okay, if you reach it to the Z, you will go back to the A. Right? So that is just like a rotation. So the mode 26 is used for the rotation. Okay, so if all letters are finished, then you go back to the first position over there. So this is the function of the mode over there, right? And to find the reverse of decryption, you need to find the inverse of the matrix, right? So you can find the inverse of the matrix with this one, and you have some identity matrix. You know about the mathematics, this is called identity matrix over there.